Welcome back, guys, to Auto Rebuilds Garage, and today is one of those videos where we go to IAA and we check out rec rides. So just to give you a little breakdown what rec rides are, anything considered a power sport vehicle is part of the rec rides section. And it's not just motorcycles. There's a lot of motorcycles, but it also includes scooters, jet skis, dune buggies, golf carts, you name it. So today we're going to IAA and we're gonna go check them out. And if the stock number is available at the time of the recording or the editing, we're gonna put it in the video for each thing we check out and we look at. And if you wanna check them out with us, go to IAA.com, type in the stock number, and you will see all the info and description for that rec ride. We also shoot videos for cars, trucks, campers, semi-trucks, literally everything. We go to IAA auction yards and we check them out. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and let's get into it.
You guys ever wanted a snowmobile? Check this one out. This is a 2019 Polaris Pro 850. Brand new. Technically brand new. It's got some damage.
A little bit.
Seems like just plastics. Suspension looks alright. Probably just went off.
Well, the thing is, the back
Off a cliff. It's missing the track.
The back track is missing, which shouldn't be too bad to replace. I think you gotta take it off all the way from the front.
The tunnel seems like it's in good shape. It's a 174 track, guys. This is
a pretty long one too.
This is a monster. Let's see.
The battery must be dead.
Battery's dead. According to the paperwork, it says it has 430 miles. So this thing went out maybe once or twice. This thing is fire, guys.
Not much at all.
So if you guys want to pick up a snowmobile for a good price, I would definitely check out IAA, guys. They got a huge selection.
See this, dude? All the control arms, everything is.
It all looks fine, yeah.
Yeah. It is ripped right here a little bit, but obviously that's not gonna matter that much. Okay, so this thing is a 2015 KTM 390. And guys, check this thing out. So this thing doesn't have too much damage at all. We went over and looked at it a little bit. I would say here a little missing the seat, which it did lay down, so you could see a little frame crack here, and obviously a little bit of skid marks, but no damage, not much damage at all. Though the thing that totaled it out, I believe, is this frame. So KTM 390. This thing looks awesome. Look at this thing, and it's very, very small and compact. So this thing is really light. I'll love to get myself one of these.
Maybe in the future.
There you go, yeah.
You guys want us to rebuild one of these?
What's up?
If they want us to rebuild one of these,
Yeah,
just comment below.
Look at this thing. It's not bad, 2015.
Boom.
Okay.
What else we got?
Next thing, we got 2017 Kawasaki 650. And this thing also looks minor damages at all. It has a little bit of skid. That looks a little bent. And also this front fender. This front headlight. And this is it. Look at this. Minor damages.
Total.
And it's totaled. That's the insurance for you. This thing looks awesome enough.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Let's see, what do we got?
1,700 miles.
This thing's like brand new.
And it starts, so that's a good thing. So let's go. We're gonna go check out more wrecked vehicles they got over there in the corner. So let's get into it. Okay, guys. So we checked out the snowmobile, the two bikes. Now we're on to these suckers. Look at this. Look what they got here. What is that engine from? Doesn't look like it's from a
2007 Ford. Anybody need an engine?
Mark. Okay. Look at this Maverick 1000 turbo.
Turbo R, 800 miles.
It looks like it rolled. They got a little winch on it.
Windshield's cracked.
Fox suspension. Also comes with a custom
plate. Here's one, guys.
Comes with a shovel
If
too.
anybody needs a shovel, you might as well just buy this thing. Oh, look at all the tools you get too.
A saw, a toilet paper too,
Toilet paper.
a duct tape.
This thing got used.
Probably somebody been hunting in this thing. Somebody's hat still there.
700cc 2017 Arctic Cat. Next we got a 2017 Arctic Cat.
Look at the suspension. It's gonna be fun, dude. You get a cooler.
Get a cooler. Yo, look at that. They bolted the cooler down.
So it comes with the cooler.
Next we got a Honda 1000 Pioneer.
Utility.
2018.
Okay, what is this thing?
2019 Polaris.
Looks like it came straight from the
RZR.
dealer. Look, the tires are still. Look at that.
It's a 1000. Got 208 miles. This one says it does run. Has a little bit of suspension damage.
Look at these.
Nice seat belts. Definitely looked like it rolled or flipped on its side.
Huh, hopefully not.
All right, so what we got next, guys, is a 2017 Sea-Doo Gtr 230. Looks like the trailer got a little bit of damage. Looks like that got broken off. The ski looks a little scratched up. Up here, some cosmetics.
They probably rolled it onto the beach. But, oh no, it was probably with the trailer then.
Yeah, the trailer got damaged too.
Yeah, so
Let's see. Is there an engine?
definitely an engine. Look at this thing.
Got a Rotex engine. Looks like it's all intact. Not sure on the miles or the hours that we got on it. But yeah, it's got some scraping on both sides. Look at all these.
So look at this, dirt bike, snowmobile, another snowmobile. Look at all these.
You got a Harley right here. Check out this
Even a crotch rocket.
2014 Harley. This thing's loaded. Looks like it took a front end impact. They got older bikes. They got newer bikes.
What year is that Honda right there?
This Honda is a 2018 Honda. 1985 Honda right here.
Somebody got insurance on it.
2019 Harley. Then we also have what is this? This is a Yamaha. 2009 Yamaha. Another Harley. Another Harley. Another Harley.
And what is this thing?
Crotch rocket. What do we got? You got a Yamaha YZR R6.
So
Check
600?
out the custom exhaust though, guys. That is some custom.
This thing is worth just buying just for the exhaust.
Look, that's a muffler off a truck.
And look at this thing, a Cummins. Can you guys believe this?
This is a Cummins engine snowmobile. Probably just one of a kind. I don't think you guys will ever find another one like it. But yeah, the stuff they got here, guys.
This is endless. Look at this.
It's unreal. Another snowmobile.
1000
That's
RR
a Honda.
So look at this.
Then they got this bike right here. We got 2015 Harley.
How many miles? Doesn't say?
It's got, doesn't say. But with this one, there's no front wheel, so you gotta ride it in a wheelie position the whole time.
Yeah.
So if you're good at wheeling,
this is
the
for you.
bike for you right here.
I like this thing. This is kind of blacked out. What year is this thing?
This is a 2017 Honda
Dang.
CBR 1000.
Basically brand new. Somebody laid it. Hopefully they're all okay.
It's got a custom exhaust. You want to show the exhaust on this thing?
Yeah.
That's pretty sick.
Look at that thing.
We got some more snowmobiles, some Polarises right
A lot
here.
of snowmobiles.
Polaris.
And this thing is a 2018 Kawasaki. Look at this thing. Dang.
This thing is a beauty.
Look at custom
There we
plate.
did. Comes with the American flag, so you're just ready to go. Check this thing out.
2009 Harley-Davidson. Look at that.
Clean. What are the damages? Like, look how clean it is.
Oh, right here. I got it went on the side.
Just that, the side. A little bit of rash here.
That's nothing. But look at all that chrome.
This thing is a beauty. All right, guys, so we went around and showed you all the recreational vehicles they got here. So they got snowmobiles, they got jet skis, they got motorcycles, they got side-by-sides, they got four-wheelers, dirt bikes, you name it, they got it here. They're always getting new inventory in, so you guys just gotta keep up with the searches. There's stuff popping online all the time. So if you're in the hunt for one of these, I would definitely recommend you guys keeping up with their inventory, finding something you like, and just buy it.
Also, use our promo code.
Yeah, if you use our promo code, you will save $50 on your registration fee. So definitely do that, and happy bidding, guys.